Okay, so this is Master Airscrew Stealth Props Mavic Air 2. Let's see how this sounds now that I logged in. Should be able to fly normal.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So that's 92 feet. I'm gonna fly right above me. See how this sounds. But it's pretty quiet outside. It's very quiet actually. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. So that's directly above. Directly above 100 feet. Let's go 150 feet. So it's like 150 feet. You can hear it, but I think when it's noisier outside. So let's go 200 feet. So that's 200 feet. .4x zoom, 1080p. So that's 200 feet. 200 feet. But if I kick it to 250 feet, yeah, you can't hear. Buzzing around at 200 feet, you can't hear that. 250 feet. So at 254 feet, I'm gonna buzz the house. Sport mode, full speed. Here it goes. Yeah, you can barely hear that. Turn around, come back again. Yeah, 250 feet, stealth props, nice. For sure, that's nice. All right, let's bring it back. .150 feet, still pretty quiet. These are quiet. Nice. Getting blinded by the sun trying to see. So this is 5 feet from me. Pretty nice.
Landing.
Pretty quiet.